Hey everyone, are you seriously tired of flipping through like a mountain of messy notes just trying to remember what you studied last week? Well, let me tell you, I've got something that's going to totally change the way you study. It's called NotebookLM. You won't believe it. It's this super cool AI-powered tool that can turn your notes into summaries, audio explainers, videos, mind maps, and even quizzes, like all in seconds. Can you even imagine? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your account, upload your notes, and use its most powerful tools to make studying faster, easier, and, oh my gosh, a whole lot more fun. So, let's dive in. First things first, you got to open your browser like right now and type in notebooklm.google.com. Seriously, do it. You'll see it pop up, click on it, and bam, you're going to be taken straight to the homepage. Now, on that homepage, there's this huge button that says Try NotebookLM. You can't miss it. Just go ahead and click that, okay? Since this amazing tool is made by Google, you're going to sign in using your Google account. If you're already using Gmail or Google Docs, just pick your account from the list. Easy peasy. But hey, if you don't have one, no stress. Just click Use another account, type in your email, and hit Next. Then enter your password and smash that Next button again to finish signing in. And guess what? After just a few seconds, you'll be whisked away right into your NotebookLM dashboard. If it's your first time here, you'll be welcomed with a quick intro screen and a button that says Create a New Notebook. How cool is that? Okay, so now that your notebook is all set up, guess what? It's time to bring in your study materials. First, you're going to click Create New and you'll see a bunch of options. You can upload a file, like a PDF, DOCX, or a slide deck. Or you could link a Google Doc or a Google Slide. And hey, you can even paste a website URL you want to use as a source. Isn't that amazing? For this example, I'm going to upload a file from my computer. So just click Choose File and navigate to your document. Let's say it's a PDF called Database System Lecture Notes. Then just upload it. NotebookLM will process your file in just a few seconds, depending on its size. Once it's done, you'll see it pop up under the Sources section of your notebook. This is so important. Every single summary, explanation, or quiz you create is going to pull information directly from those sources. It's like you're building your own personal study library right inside NotebookLM. How epic is that? This is where the real magic happens. Seriously, with your source uploaded, it's about to get super exciting. So on the left side, you'll see your file. It's right there, just chilling. Then in the middle, oh man, there's the chat section where you can type or ask questions. You'll see this bar that says Start Typing. It's like an invitation, right? And don't forget the right side. Oh man, that's the studio panel. It's packed with all the creative tools. You can generate audio, videos, mind maps, quizzes, all from your notes. Can you believe it? Feel comfortable? We're going to dive into all these tools one by one. It's going to be epic. But first, let's kick things off with a super simple example. In the chat box, just type Summarize Chapter 3. Easy peasy, right? Wait just a few seconds, and guess what? You're going to see NotebookLM work its magic. It reads your document, analyzes all that juicy content, and boom, instantly generates a summary that's clear and super easy to understand. And you're going to notice these little footnote style numbers popping up next to the text. Those are citations. They show you exactly where all that info came from in your uploaded material. Isn't that cool? But hold on. The real kicker here is that NotebookLM is totally grounded in your sources. Every single answer it spits out comes straight from your notes, not some random stuff from the internet. The audio overview, and it's one of my absolute favorites. Head over to the Studio tab in your notebook and click on Audio Overview. Give it just a sec, and boom, NotebookLM will whip up an audio version of your notes like magic. In just a few minutes, you'll have this awesome downloadable audio file that reads your content out loud. It's perfect for listening while you're driving or walking or, studying without staring at a screen. How cool is that? Now let's give it a shot. Just click that play button.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're digging into something absolutely fundamental to, almost everything digital. database systems. We're talking about that incredibly complex, powerful software, the DBMS, the database management system, that keeps huge amounts of data organized, safe, and crucially persistent over time.
Right. It's the engine under the hood for so much of what we do online.
Exactly.
How awesome is that? And wait, there's more. You'll see these super handy options. You can switch up the playback speed, download the file straight to your computer, or even share it with your friends and classmates. Oh, and wait. There's one more super cool thing I just have to tell you about. So, NotebookLM has this totally awesome interactive mode. You can actually chat with your notes in real time. How crazy is that? It's like the best way ever to dive into your stuff and get instant explanations right on the spot. So, let's give it a whirl. Just click that interactive mode button, and then you'll see a join button. Hit that to jump into the live interactive session.
Oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
Try asking something like, can you explain what the traditional handling of data means?
That is a great question. We were just about to dive into the problems it created.
But stepping back to define it first makes perfect sense.
So the traditional file-based approach was the first way.
The first way we used computers for data handling?
Essentially, it was a decentralized system.
I mean, can you believe it? NotebookLM will totally analyze your notes and dish out a clear, grounded explanation straight from your uploaded content. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, guys. If you're a visual learner or just want something super dynamic to help you review, you have to try the video overview feature. Seriously, it's a game changer. So here's what you do. Head back to the studio section and click on Video Overview. Trust me, just give it a minute. NotebookLM will whip up a short, narrated video that's packed with slides, visuals, and all the key highlights from your notes. How cool is that? And once it's ready, boom, you'll see a preview of your video overview. Can you believe it? Here it is. Check it out. You've got the option to download the video or even share the link with your classmates. It's such an awesome way to review topics quickly or to show off your study material in this super creative format. Now, let's dive in. Just click that play button and then hit play video again, okay?
You know, we're absolutely surrounded by databases. They're behind everything from our social media feeds to our bank accounts.
Wow, this is absolutely mind-blowing. NotebookLM just transformed our notes into this incredible visual summary. Now, let's dive into this amazing tool that helps you totally map out your ideas. It's called the Mind Map feature. So, in the studio section, you just click Create Mind Map. Give it a hot second to process, and boom, NotebookLM whips up this awesome visual canvas that has your main topic right in the center with branches stretching out for each key idea. You can totally expand or collapse those subtopics and zoom in or out to explore everything so easily. Isn't that just the coolest? What's super epic about this feature is it shows you how all these ideas are connected. It's perfect for when you're cramming for exams or trying to wrap your head around some really complex stuff. And here's the cherry on top. Just click on any topic and NotebookLM is like, I got you. It can explain it right away. Next up, we're diving into something super awesome in NotebookLM. It's the reports tool. Seriously, this is a game changer. So what you want to do is head over to the studio section and click on Generate Report. Easy, right? And hold up. You'll see a bunch of format options. For this one, let's go with Study Guide. Trust me, it's going to be epic. Then, just like that, NotebookLM is going to analyze all your sources, your notes, everything, and organize it into this super neat structured report. In just a few moments, you'll have a professional-looking short answer quizzes, suggested essay questions, and a glossary of key terms, all magically created from your uploaded notes. Can you believe it? This feature is just perfect for whipping up study guides, research summaries, or even project overviews without spending hours compiling all that info yourself. We're diving into another amazing study tool, flashcards. So, in the studio section, you just hit Generate Flashcards, and guess what? NotebookLM is going to whip up a whole set of digital flashcards from your notes, instantly. It pulls out all the key terms, definitions, and those super important concepts. Can you believe it? Each card has a question or a keyword on the front. And when you click See Answer, bam, the correct response pops up on the back. It's like magic. And you can totally move backward or forward through the cards with these little arrows to keep track of your progress. How cool is that? But wait, it gets better. If you need more context or a deeper explanation, just smash that explain button. And NotebookLM will serve up a clear AI-generated explanation based on your own uploaded material. Like, it's tailored just for you. All right, everyone. And now, wait for it, for our final tool, quizzes. This is like the absolute perfect way to check everything you've learned so far. Seriously. So in the Studio tab, you just click Generate Quiz and boom, NotebookLM will instantly whip up a set of questions from your notes. No need to lift a finger. It's all done automatically. How cool is that? Let's give it a shot. I'll just guess the answer. Oh, wow, I got it. Now for the second question. What did I miss? This is actually so much fun. And get this, if you get a question wrong, just click Explain and NotebookLM will show you the right answer along with where it came from in your notes. How awesome is that? This is such a fast, interactive way to review and really reinforce your learning. And with that, we've explored all the major tools NotebookLM has to offer. You're totally ready to study smarter than ever. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that bell icon if you want more awesome tutorials like this.